Welcome to another QAssign Ortoo how-to video. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up the load balancing assignment mode. Load balancing allows records to be distributed based on the member's current workload or current number of active records. Within the assignment rules section of an assignment group, we can select the assignment mode. Here we'll choose a load balance active record count option. The active record criteria section allows us to specify what you want to consider as an active record. In this example, you can see a record must have a status of either new or assigned and have a priority of 1. Any field on the target object can be selected. The active record criteria filter logic is set to 1 and 2, so both conditions must be true. All other logic operators are available. When this assignment group has a record to assign, QAssign will calculate the active record count using the criteria and logic above for all available group members. This ensures that the active record count is always up to date. QAssign will then assign the record to the member with the lowest number of records. If more than one member has the same lowest number, then QAssign will use round-robin logic to assign the record to the member that has been waiting the longest. If required, a cap can also be set with the max active record cap field. Here it's set to 5. This ensures that members will not be assigned more records if they already have 5 active records. I hope this helps, but please visit our ortoapps.com for further documentation.